Nĩ mihang'o iria yoire ihinda rĩa mathaa matandatu, maabithaa kuuma ruhonge rwa mbiraru magicaria njira cia kumomora nyumba ĩno ya ngoroba kenda iria iri mwena wa Kilifi kaunti-inĩ ya Mombasa makihuthira nduthuki.
To do what we call controlled demolition using explosives that is placed at strategic points, so that we would guide the building on where to fall, so that we could avoid the neighboring buildings, as you can see, and also some neighboring buildings on the other side. We are grateful to the KDF for their discipline, their planning, and their expertise.
Mihang'o ino ona kuhanura uguo egutanyitwo kuoya ihinda inini ende yacerithirio thutha wa amwe a aikari a nyumba ĩno gwĩkururia guthama ta uria marathĩtwo na uguo gucungiriria maabithaa a ugitiri kumaruturura kia hinya.
Weona Gaza vile imepigwa bombo moja tu inavunja nyumba 5-6. Hii yenu nyumba moja sijuu amechukua hao vipi? Hata tunaona kule Indonesia wapi inabomolewa nyumba inaanguka hivi kwa dakika 5 tu.
Ambao wanatolewa kule wakipelekwa sasa sites, nikiomba hakawapelekea kakitu, lakini amepotea, hata hatukuona hata MCA.
Ihinda-inĩ o riu barabara ciothe iria ikuhiriirie haria mwako uyu uma ni cihingirwo kwa ihinda, undu uria uthararirie mihang'o ya ukui kuri aria mekuingiraga kana kuma tauni-inĩ ya Mombasa.
For those truly who delayed this whole thing, kwa sababu muliamua kukaa katika masehemu za hatari ati munatafuta videos, surely inconveniencing everyone for hours.
Governor wa kaunti ya Mombasa augite mihang'o ĩno ikinyanirio kuhitukira unyitaniri wa honge ngũrani.
We have had 0 casualties. The building is down as planned. We had 17 ambulances, we had hospitals ready. For now tupeni nafasi tu ya muda takriban saa moja, ikizidi sana masaa mawili, everyone will go back to their houses.
Ona kuhanura uguo urugamiriri wa nyumba ĩno ni ureganite na uhoro ati ndirakinyanirie ikiro cia waki, ukiuga uyu urari o mutino.
We would like to reaffirm that from inception we strictly adhere to all legal and regulatory requirements. This included obtaining full approvals from the Mombasa County.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Yutagogena, Wawadiro.